The Larson Electronics power transformer steps down 480-volt AC to 220-volt AC and is ideal for powering 220-volt single-phase based lights and equipment. This transformer features a 480-volt circuit breaker on the primary side and a 220-volt receptacle with weatherproof flip cover on the secondary side. This portable step-down transformer is built to provide operators with a reliable means to step down commonly found 480-volt AC to 220-volt AC, while also providing the versatility of allowing operation of standard voltage equipment. This portable power distribution transformer is designed for portability and convenience as well as durability. Featuring an elevated base platform for protection from standing water and weatherproof construction, Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.